Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to download apps without payment method on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to download apps without payment method, or you want to use your app store without adding any kind of payment method, so let's see how can you easily do that. So the very first thing, you have to open your settings and make sure that you have a stable and strong network connection. Then you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. So after checking that, you have to go ahead to your app store. And here just tap on your profile option in the top right, then tap on your Apple ID. And here, if you already have added your payment method, so you can select this manage payments option from here and just try to remove your payment method. And once you have removed your payment method, you have to simply go back from here and just go to country region section. And here, you have to select your own country or region in which you are living. Let's say I'm going to select this one from here. So after selecting your country or region, just select this continue option here, and here just tap on agree in the top right, and here you have to select this none option. So once you have selected none option, you have to add your billing address, your phone number, your name, then tap on done option on the top right, and your Apple or your App Store is now set it to download any app without payment method. So let's say I'm gonna open my App Store here and just look for any app which you want to download. So for example, I'm going to download this one here. Just select this app and then tap on this get option here. And then you have to verify yourself by double click your power button to install, and then verify your face ID here, and your app will start installing. So in this way, you can easily download apps without payment method on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.